Eckold clinching and clinch bonding in the complex use of composite body construction. The growing trend towards composite construction in car body production requires increased use of innovative joining technologies. Here, Eckold clinching and clinch bonding, also known as hybrid bonding, clearly demonstrates its suitability in high-volume series production. There are 658 Eckold clinching spots in the model of a leading automotive manufacturer, more than in any other series-produced car. Clinching and clinch bonding are used in situations where heat-related joining processes meet their limits or are unable to maintain higher joining strengths corresponding to the higher strengths of new materials. The increased use of adhesives also results in more complex bonding tasks for clinching technology. The sheet materials that can be bonded range from easily formable aluminium sheets to deep-drawn steel sheets, higher strength steel sheets and high-strength steel sheets. The range of overall sheet thicknesses that can be clinched is between 1.2 and 3.25 millimeters. The conditions of composite construction determine the design of the clinching machines and thus the layout of the production lines. Let's summarize the criteria. First, the material properties. Second, the combination of materials, such as steel with aluminium or aluminium with steel. Third, the sheet thickness and the combination of sheet thicknesses. And fourth, the type and viscosity of the adhesives. Despite the complexity of the joining tasks, solutions are possible which even allow investment costs to be minimized. The result, 60 different clinching tasks can be achieved with only 4 different combinations of punches and dies. In concrete terms, this means a minimum number of clinching frames and industrial robots, and minimal production space. The conclusion, considerable investment savings. The positions for clinching are the rear quarter, the side wall and rear seat panel, the boot lid and front wing. The required joining forces of 35 to 60 kilonewtons are achieved by means of pneumohydraulic drives. A total of 45 stationary and mobile clinching frames ensure a reliable process. The weight-minimized lightweight frames, with a working range of up to 840 millimeters, permit the use of standard robots with comparatively low load capacity. And these clinching frames are used where components can be accessed only with difficulty. The minimum quantity spraying systems ensure reliable stripping during the clinching process, also when aluminium sheets are placed on the punch side. Online process monitoring increases system availability. This is achieved primarily by differentiating between systematic and random errors. The process data can be saved so that it's available for documentation purposes. The end result, daily production of approximately 400 vehicles, each with 658 clinching points, adds up to 263,000 bonds per day. Proof that clinching and clinch bonding are suitable for composite body construction even in high-volume series production. Eckold clinching, connected with the future.